Hot Mommy. If this is your first time stopping by, I am a sewing DIY style blogger. And so I kind of like to share what I sew, how I sew, why I sew it. So I thought today's video would be about a fall preview, just to show you what I'm going to be sewing for the next couple of months. Now, before I start sewing for a season, I kind of like do a little investigation and check out some of the trends and things like that. So one of the things that I noticed that jewel tones were really big. So I decided to work with this burgundy Merlot color, which I think is beautiful and is really good for my skin tone. It looks good on me. So I'm going to be sewing a couple pieces with that and then pair it with my favorite black, which I love to sew with, and then use beige and gold as an accent. So this is my collection of fabrics that I'm going to be working with, and what I normally do is I shop my stash first. So I go through there, see what I have, and then I kind of add some online or brick and mortar pieces if I need to. So I've already made 2 pieces. So this is the first one. This is a challis that they gifted me. It is absolutely beautiful. It's black and it has like accent in that Merlot that I talked about. This is a McCall's 8014, I think. I could be wrong, but at any rate, I use it as a pattern base because I hacked it a little bit. It's supposed to have like a front band to it and some other stuff, but I ditched that because I wanted to line this. The challis is a little bit lightweight, so just to make it so that I can wear it a little bit further into the season, I added the lining to it. And this turned out pretty well, I think. And then the next fabric that they gifted me was this beautiful soft sweater knit. It's in rust. I think it's a rayon poly blend, but at any rate, it's really lightweight. So this is kind of how I dress pretty much all of the time. So I thought I'd kind of elevate my style a little bit. So this is just like a split hem t-shirt, something that'll look a little bit dressier, I guess, but still comfortable. So now in terms of fabric, I live in Maryland, and so I'm fortunate enough to live close to a store called G Street Fabrics, and they are a wonderful brick and mortar, and I love going there. Mainly because they have this clearance room, and the clearance room is the bomb. Absolutely one of the best places to go. If you don't like chaos, then don't go there, because literally it's just fabric everywhere, and you just have to really be able to take your time and pick through it. If you do, you can come away with some absolute gems. But the best thing about it is that everything in there is $2.99 a yard. I don't care what it is. So let's get into some of the fabric. So this is one of the first pieces. I hope you can see it. It's this gorgeous gold sequin fabric. This definitely will be a holiday look. This is from G Street, so love it. Next one is this beautiful sweater knit. This one was gifted to me because I'm doing a collab with a pattern company, and so this is probably going to be a hoodie, and if I can squeeze some jogger pants out of it, I probably will. But this is heavier weight than that, but kind of in that same color family. So the next thing is this knit I've had in my stash for a while, and this is from G Street too. Same color family, but a little bit more burgundy in there. And so I thought this would be cute as a wrap dress. I kind of like the juxtaposition or just the unexpected use of a plaid on a wrap dress. So I thought that would be kind of cute. I'll show you another fabric. This one, I've seen a lot of light plaid blazers and overcoats. And so this is another one from G Street, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I can't guarantee I'll make it because blazers take a little bit more construction, especially with the plaid. So, but I hope to get to it. Let me show you a couple more. So this one, another one from G Street. This is like a ponte knit or something close to it, but it is in this textured leopard print. I love this. I think this will be a cardigan, something quick and easy to make. Now, the one thing I will say about the clearance room, you kind of do have to look at the fabric because they're close to perfect, but some of them may have like a little area that may be cut out or just not quite perfect, but you can get so much yardage that you can work around it. But this is one of my faves, and this one I just bought. Now this next one is a knit boucle, and this is from a company called Cutters and Cloth, and this is an online store. I never shop from them, but I do have to say the quality of this fabric is absolutely superior. It is beautiful. And then the last fabric I'm going to show you is this coating. I cannot believe I found this. Again, another G Street. This is one of those where it pays to stand there and just go through all that fabric because this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what it is, but it's a heavyweight fabric that'll be perfect for a coat. I haven't sewn a coat in a while, and so that's one thing I really want to do this year. Now, another thing that I do, sort of as a treat to myself, is I will buy maybe 1 or 2 pair of shoes that I kind of want to work with what I bought. So one of the things that I bought are these thick sole combat boots that I'm seeing everywhere. Very cute. The way I've seen these style is that you can wear this with anything. Like I just saw one of my favorite fashion bloggers put this with a bias cut skirt, which I thought was so cute, but you can wear it with jeans, leggings, what have you. It's not leather. This is some type of synthetic, and it's embossed with like an alligator, alligator or whatever embossing, but very cute. So that's one. And then another one that I bought are these light colored loafers. I know chain links are in, and so it has that detailing on the top. Absolutely love these shoes. I've seen these light colored loafers everywhere, and then specifically these because I have very narrow feet, and this is the brand Amalfi, and they specialize in narrow shoes. They're a little bit pricey, but I got these on sale. But again, I've seen these style with absolutely everything. So here I am again. But that's it. That's the end of my fall preview. Hit me in my comments. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think about the fabric selection. Tell me about your plans, what you got going on. And if you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button. So thanks again for stopping by.